Hey, Charlie, it's 2 a.m. and I'm shouting, hey, you know be heartbreak, cool. You know be heartbreak. I just tried to record a perfect video, a perfect introductory video. And you know what happened? I didn't press record. Hey! I didn't press record. Yo, see, let me try again. So this is how I was flowing. Hello, welcome to Judge the Foodie. On today's episode, I'll be taking you through the... Hey, Raddy. So yeah, guys, I'm just doing an intro video to tell you that tomorrow morning I'll be making breakfast. Yeah, I'll be making breakfast. One of the easiest possible way to make breakfast. It's a simple recipe, very simple recipe. Hey, but Charlie, I swear, it's bashing me. Hey, I was flowing, like people will be like, hey, the boy, they understanding.